Right. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you how to convert data types. So we have static data types in Java. So how to convert data type from one data type to another. For example, how can we convert a string value into integer? Right. So let's find out the way of doing that. So I'm going to create a small program. So in that program, let's say I'm going to create int mk1 is equal to a number, right? And then I'm going to say string mk2, which is not 2k, right? So string cannot accept, string cannot accept numbers which can be calculated. String can accept numbers, but you will not be able to calculate this, right? So let me prove that. So I'm going to write something called int total is equal to mk1 plus mk2, right? So there is a error. See, when I keep my cursor here, it says you have provided string value, right? So the record type is int. So we have initialized total saying int, but you provided and string value in that, so which is to be converted, so which is to be changed, right? So let me complete the program and then let's come back. So I'm going to say maybe total, and then let's display the total here. So the program is ready, but it will not work since there is an error. So to sort that error, what I'm going to do is let me give some spaces for better understanding. So these the one, and there are no issues in marks1. Marks2 is having an issue. So let me convert this mk2 from string to integer. So that's very easy. I'm going to come and say int, and let's say converted mk1. So there is a new variable, and then here I'm going to say integer. So since I'm going to convert that into integer, pass int. So this can be converted into double pass double and long pass long, and likewise this can be converted into any data types, right? So now I'm going to say integer dot pass int, and then within the bracket you have to give which variable you are expecting to convert. So I'm going to convert mk2 into integer, and I'm going to store that data inside converted mk2. So I'm going to store that inside converted mk2 variable. So now we have successfully converted that. Now it's just a matter of calling our brand new variable here. So now you can see there are no errors. Let's run the program. When I run, you can see the total displayed here, right? So observe the coding correctly. So what I did first, int mk1 is equal to 67. There are no issues in this, but when I declared mk2, I said string. So string cannot be calculated directly, so we converted that, and then converted variable name has been added to this formula. So this can be slightly changed, right? This can be slightly changed. So what you can do is we can call. So let me remove this again. So let me remove this again, and let me change this into mk2, and I want to declare mk2 as it is, right? So without saying string, I'm going to, without saying int, let me call it as string itself, and I'm going to put like maybe 99, right? And then without having a dedicated variable saying converted mk2, you can even have that get converted while you're having it inside the formula itself, right? So while you're having it in the formula itself, you will be able to convert this. So without typing it directly, let me cut, and then I'm going to say integer.parseInt and paste it here. So this will be the short form of doing that. So additional step can be skipped, right? So now there are no errors. So in the formula itself, you calling a string value, in the formula itself you converting that, in the equation itself you converting that. So let me run the program and show you. Yes, so we got the answer, right? So this is how we convert from one data type to another data type, right? So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. See you.